it hits better if you say it yourself in English.
So for the members, yes, I am leaving, but I just want you guys to challenge new things because I know in this situation
Yes.
I don't want to be stopped by the manager, so
No
I'm not gonna say
problem. They can't stop us. This is a live stream. Live stream.
thank you. So it's a kind of like a complicated situation. So right now, when we try to do new stuff, we often get stopped. Hey, that maybe censor that. So we get all those censors. Sometimes it's kind of like nonsense to me, and if it's nonsense to me, I think it's to them too. So but please do not stop trying to do new stuff.
Okay.
Please. That's my message
Yeah.
to the Hololive members.
It's good. Keep on being creative, doing new things, being doing whatever we want to do, and just try it. I think that's good. Thank you, Coco senpai. Arigato.
Thank you. ありがとうございます。